Hello everyone, this video is going to show you how to access Google Drive on your iPad or a mobile device, how to create a main folder within Google Drive, how to upload files into that folder, how to create folders within the folder, and then also how to share your folders and your files with other people. So first things first, you need to locate the Google Drive icon, Google Drive app on your mobile device or your iPad, and it's going to be this thing right here. See it? So just go ahead and tap that. And it should bring up this page here, kind of your main hub area for Google Drive. It may look a little different. I have the grid vet kind of layout there. You may have a list layout, so it kind of depends on how it looks. For you, it may be a little different, but it's going to be the same kind of area. So to create a brand new folder, just press the plus button down in the bottom right hand corner and then press folder. And you should get this option here where you can name your new folder. So we're just going to name this folder test and create, and there you go. And so you should see your folder pop up in your main hub area, however you have the layout looking. So if you want to access the folder, super simple. Just press the folder and it should open up. As you can see here, we do not have any files in the folder at the moment, so let's upload a file into this folder. So all you do is press the plus button again, press upload, which is going to be your middle option, and then it should give you an option to browse files that you have on your iPad or mobile device. You can also browse your photos and videos. I'm just going to go ahead and do that option, and I'm going to go to my screenshots, and I'm going to share the first screenshot I see. You can share multiple if you would like, but we're just going to do one for the sake of this test. And then just wait for it to process the upload, and then once it's processed, there you go. You'll get a little notification saying that all pending uploads have completed, and you're good to go. So now you have a file inside your main folder. So let's say you have multiple classes. You've been uploading a lot of different files within this folder for these different classes, and now you want to organize all of these files into specific folders for specific classes. So how do you create a folder within a folder? To create folder inception, all you have to do is press the plus button again down at the bottom right hand corner and press folder again, and there you go. You're going to have a new folder option. You can now name this folder. We're going to go ahead and name this folder test2 or mini test, and there you go. And now you have a folder within a folder. So now all you have to do to put your files into that folder, you can just press down on the file, drag and drop, and now it will give you a notification saying that that file has been dropped into the new folder. So that's the way you're going to do that. So now, you know, if you had multiple files, just make multiple folders for your different classes, and then just drop those files into those folders. Now you're going to have a nice organized area with all of your classes in very specific folders with all the files needed within those folders. Keep everything super simple, super organized. So now let's say you need to share your folder with someone else. So the easiest way to do that is going to be to just press the little three buttons, the ellipses, up in the upper right hand corner of your screen. So if you just press that, you should get this drop down menu. The first option is going to be share. Just press share, and it's going to give you this option here. Now in that area, all you do is just type in the email address of the person or people that you want to share your folder with. Again, once you do that, you should be good to go. It should give you an option to send it. You also want to make sure that you are opening up access to everyone. So you can press the little access button, the little like kind of person icon next to your profile picture. Should bring up this here, and so with your link, if you want to change the privacy for your folder, just come in here. You can change it to viewer, and there you go. And now you are ready to share it with anyone within Coker University. You can now view it. So anybody, another student, professor, advisor, anything like that, you can now share this folder with those individuals. It will be open for them. They can come in and take a look at everything you have organized within your main folder and within your subfolders. And so that's going to be the way that you access Google Drive, create folders in Google Drive, upload files in Google Drive, and share in Google Drive. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope it was informative, hope it was helpful, and as always, I hope you have a pleasant and fantastic day.